good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Creatine, typically known for its benefits in muscle growth and performance, has recently gained attention for its potential cognitive enhancing properties. Research has shown that creatine can help improve cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. Did you know that creatine, the popular supplement used by athletes to boost performance, can also have powerful benefits for your brain? Research has shown that creatine can help improve cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Creatine is naturally produced in the body and plays a crucial role in providing energy to cells, including those in the brain. By supplementing with creatine, you can increase the energy available to your brain, leading to improved mental clarity and focus. Studies have suggested that creatine may have neuroprotective effects, helping to protect the brain from damage and aging. In addition, the more and more research and studies done suggest that creatine supplementation may improve coordination, which could be beneficial for us with ataxia and could potentially slow down the progression of ataxia and improve quality of life for those affected by the condition. I know what many people wonder. I thought creatine is only for men. Wrong. Many women are hesitant to incorporate the creatine supplement due to myths about it causing weight gain or looking bulky. However, creatine can actually be a beneficial supplement for women looking to improve their strength, endurance, physical performance, and neurological health. Again, creatine is a naturally occurring compound that helps to produce energy, which can be beneficial for women looking to improve their overall performance. Like I previously mentioned, creatine will not make you bulky or masculine. In fact, many female athletes use creatine to enhance their performance without experiencing any negative side effects. When it comes to dosage, the general recommendation for females is about 3 to 5 grams per day. So, if you're looking to boost your brain power and improve your overall cognitive function, consider adding creatine to your daily routine. There are various forms of creatine available on the market, but the most researched and effective form is creatine monohydrate. It is also affordable and easy to find, making it a popular choice. To maximize the benefits of creatine supplementation, it's essential to follow a loading phase where you consume a higher dose for a week, followed by a maintenance phase with a lower dose. Remember to stay hydrated while taking creatine to prevent any potential side effects. While creatine shows promise as a potential treatment for ataxia, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on the condition. If you're interested in learning more about creatine and ataxia, be sure to stay informed on the latest research developments. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.